What is the DOB project? Declutter-Organize-Beautify, a spatial organizing and design and build project. 1. Suggest contextually appropriate design ideas and solutions. HO 4. Communication skills. Objective 2. Solve design issues collaboratively. HO 5. Interpersonal skills. Why is DOB special? Added value 1. First of its kind, a unique instructional design combining spatial organizing and decluttering with design and build tasks for undergraduates. 2. Kill many birds with one stone. Students learn to address real-world issues, collaborate, and design effective spaces. Project site owners benefit from fully transformed, functional spaces. How did DOB make a difference? Usefulness: DOB project has been implemented to convert a dull, messy, and underutilized space at the School of Housing, Building and Planning into a tidy and functional storage-cum-gallery used for the accreditation purpose of the Interior Architecture program. Recognition received. DOB project is copyrighted under the title Spatial Organizing and Mini Design and Build. There are 19 students involved for this DOB project. All students will be divided into 4 groups: Group A, Group B, Group C, and Group D. Each group will handle the artwork from batch 2017 until 2022. Group A managed the batch from 2017 to 2018. Following that, Group B took charge of the batch from 2018 to 2019. Next, Group C oversaw the batch from 2019 to 2020. Finally, Group D successfully handled the batch from 2021 to 2022.